Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It is 12/9/2024. It is a very choppy market this morning. Very clear horizontal trend. I think we'll be using a 2-4 limit order settings with a 2-tick offset and 4-tick cancel. It's kind of like a pretty effective in choppy markets. Provides enough flexibility to capture pretty quick price movements while maintaining some control. Slightly would offer the best bid offer in the 2-tick offset, increasing the chance of getting filled without immediately chasing the market. So it'll start over here, but it won't actually fill it because it's not going into a clear trend yet. That's why I really like the limit order the settings, but the 4-tick cancel gives the market a little bit of breathing room to fill the order before pulling it, which is important in very choppy conditions where the price can swing back and forth. With that being said, looks like the spoofers came back from vacation a little bit. Unnecessarily, not too many of them. There's still a lot of their kids are crying at Disneyland, but that's okay. We'll deal with that right now. Let's get right into it. So pretty choppy, pretty usual for this holiday season. This season is a little bit unusual because the Thanksgiving was right around a couple weeks ago. So the markets really have been just in a horizontal position, not really anything that volatile at all either. But I'm sure that will change after Christmas and the New Year's as well. So let's get right into it. So we're going to engage concordant, auto re-engage. We'll see what we can do here.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
That one didn't get filled because of our 2-tick offset, which is perfectly fine because it's still
Order
very
submitted.
horizontal.
Order canceled.
So that one was good because of our 4-tick cancel working well, because it gives like a lot of breathing room for that, and it won't unnecessarily fill in a market that it's not going to be filled, especially in these choppy markets where there's really not that much of a really clear trend at all.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I do like how it's bouncing in the green, so I might not even change anything right here. I think I'll only move our stop loss a little bit. I think we'll take that. It goes back up, and we'll get
Order submitted. Order filled.
put it closer.
Target filled.
And we filled on there. Extremely choppy, so very horizontal too, so it's not like we can do that much, and I'm kind of scared to use 1 and 3 for limit orders because it's just so straight lined, whereas like if I was in the early morning, I probably would have even done better with the 2-4, but I woke up a little bit later, but it's okay. I needed to sleep.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
Probably looking to get out of this trade since it's just so horizontal. There's not really that much going on here.
Target filled.
We got out of it. It's okay. I don't know if you guys noticed back in the day when the limit orders was 3 and 6 when it first came out for L2 Azimuth. This is very much so because of it being used for really very volatile markets.
Order submitted.
And that would work better in this 3-6 because then that's going to give you a greater buffer overall. But what I'm doing is 2-4 because of it being so horizontal that I'm not really sure where the price is going to move or not. But we're trying to limit our order offset and everything so we can get a better fill overall. Because we're looking at ticks, we're not looking at complete bars or anything like that.
Order canceled.
Because it's only going to move down where the price is going, so.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
It's important to realize that because it can be pretty frustrating to do that, and like you're not getting filled in on anything. But that's just because it's not volatile at all right now, even like at 7 a.m. in the morning. And you can see in the chart too, it's just completely horizontal and there's no, like, almost no volatility.
Order submitted. Order filled.
See, I'm going closer to where it might hit at that next tick in there, because I'm not sure where this is going to move after, because it's just so horizontal. But I think we might move it even more, because it's bound now. It might bounce back.
Target filled.
But we got filled in, but that's okay.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I think in very horizontal markets, in my opinion, it's very semi-automated.
Order submitted.
You have to mess with the targets a little bit.
Order canceled.
Or mess with the settings, because of it being just such a flat-lined market.
Order submitted.
You don't really know what's going on.
Order canceled.
Not that much news either. But I just think a lot of people are on vacation and ready for the holidays.
Order submitted.
Taking time off to get some Christmas gifts. I certainly am. For all my family members. It's going back up a little bit. Let's say we put it up just a tiny bit.
Target filled.
We got filled on there. When it's bouncing back and forth like that in the green, then you can assess it and try to like differentiate if it's going to
Order submitted.
Go back in price, especially like when it goes back and forth in the green. Like I'd say like you can do like 10 ticks or 6, probably like 5 ticks of it going back and forth in the green or staying in the green for, let's say, like 10 seconds. So you can either
Order canceled.
take that trade, evacuate it, or set your take profit down and just evacuate out of there and get that money. I am using 4 contracts as well, so I'm not going to be pushing for huge money today, or not that much in the holiday season. Don't like how that one's going in the red, so we're just going to take that loss, and it went down, so that's okay. See, it's already bouncing back and forth in that red. We're looking to get out of this trade. Probably gonna move that closer. Original, just in case, but
Stop filled.
it's okay. Trying to ride that upward trend.
Target filled.
We got filled on that.
Target filled.
Pretty clear downward trend right there. Probably gonna actually get out of this trade. Yeah,
Order filled.
What's going on? There's a news event probably that just happened. Move that target up a little bit. Put the stop loss like up here, just in case.
Stop filled.
But I probably should have taken that trade. In the beginning.
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Can't trade with emotions. Can't always ride that high.
Target filled.
I'm glad we took that. We didn't even mess with that. We'll let the software
Order submitted.
Because it knew better than me that time.
Order cancelled.
Ooh, a lot of...
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Let me not engage that because there's a big volatility moment that just happened. Get out of that, just in case. Over 1,000 orders are being placed right now.
Target filled.
Looked like that one's gonna bounce off too, so I decided to take it out of that trade.
Order filled.
It's okay. I think we'll take that as well.
Target filled.
But right now,
Order
it's just rinse and
submitted.
repeat right there.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Pretty clear uptrend right there. I probably should have gone taken out of that trade sooner.
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Same with this one. It's pretty much bouncing in the red right now.
Stop filled. Order submitted.
The amount of orders
Order
you see
filled.
too. You can already tell. Like,
Target filled.
but we filled.
Order submitted.
It's a little odd. We got a Dex-array trade in here.
Order cancelled.
That might just be due to me using microcongruity.
Order submitted.
I think it depends with microcongruity
Order submitted.
a little bit.
Order cancelled.
Usually counter spoof and trespass are really good without it.
Order submitted.
Better
Order
for,
cancelled.
Capturing larger moves on the spoofing activity reduces like system processing, making the overall step more efficient a little bit. So if the market isn't providing any strong signals, turning off my congruity can help keep
Order
things
submitted.
a little bit more focused by the looks of it. I think since we're in such a clear horizontal trend for pretty much all of today so far, even turn off Dex-array just to make sure. Sometimes if there's no signs of strong aggression, we can turn that off so we can focus more on the counter spoof or trespass. But we might even turn actually fee on and see how we do there, because usually in horizontal markets fee actually does really well as well.
Order submitted.
But I think since we're not using Dex-array, we can turn on micro.
Order submitted.
Since we're in a vertical position, we can go to our lambda.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. 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 Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted.
In that case, we actually took advantage of that volatility
Order filled.
right there. Now we're going to try to take advantage of the bounce
Target
back right
filled.
there, in which we did. But I was a little hesitant right there because it got so volatile so fast that I was
Order
actually a little
submitted.
scared that it would put me in the wrong trade. But it might bottom out right here and actually become horizontal. But we'll
Order
see.
filled.
Pretty clear downward trend, so we can put Dex-array back on. See, if I would have put that
Order submitted.
that stop loss
Order
really
canceled.
high up, that would have not been good, because this probably would have rode a little bit higher up.
Order
After
submitted.
the fact.
Order
So
canceled.
that's why I'm trying to stop myself from doing that, because sometimes you can't just do that, and then you're pretty much gambling at that point.
Target filled.
And that was a good instance right there. I almost took that trade out because I was down 200 because it was going up in price, but I decided to let it play out a little bit. Then I put our stop loss down a little bit, so then we wouldn't really be losing pretty much that much money. We'd be gaining money still. Trying to just mitigate any kind of loss with this type of strategy, especially in
Order
horizontal
submitted.
markets,
Order filled.
in holiday markets for that matter. Not a smart idea,
Order
but
submitted.
since it's very horizontal, it's not really going up past this bar right here. So we made that,
Order canceled.
so we can do that. Decided to change out the settings for a 0-3. 0 offset with the 3 cancel. See what we can do here. Hopefully get some more trades in. Pretty clear upward trend right here. I think we're probably gonna go down a little bit.
Target
Let that
filled.
play out. Up 950.
Order submitted.
Finally getting back into
Order
a rhythm.
filled.
A little bit more trades in. Hopefully we can do a little something here. Put this down farther. I think it's pretty clear this trend is going up. That's what it seems like. So I'm gonna go
Target
down.
filled.
Up 1,000 finally. Been trying to chase that all morning, but we finally did it. I think if we lose or win a next
Order
trade, I'm
filled.
probably gonna exit out and stop for the day. But since this is already going up, I'm assuming that this should go up. But since it's bouncing back in the red and not, I'm probably trying to exit out of this thing as soon as possible.
Target filled.
1100 on the day. Probably gonna try to exit out of this trade if we go back to up to 50. Looking to get out of this, but we're just trying to be patient here since it's pretty horizontal, steady moving market, but It's quite a few bars right now. Going horizontal.
Target filled.
Had to be a little patient there, but since the trend is lined as clear
Order filled.
for us right now, pretty substantial vertical line. Now it's going back to horizontal right here, so probably gonna stop trading here in a little bit. But since it's so clear of a trend line, I'm probably gonna get out of this trade as soon as possible. So I'm gonna put our take profit down here.
Order filled.
And I think we'll end on that note.
Order filled.
Or I wasn't fast enough, but let's try to get out of this.
Stop filled.
Or not.
Target filled.
Had to be really patient with that one. I think we're gonna definitely end with that rat race there, and we're ending with 1100. I think today it was important to identify the trends in the market. So at first we were using 2-4, but we decided to switch it out for the classic 0-3 for limit order offset. Doing this semi-automated has definitely helped me know when exactly or what to do for specific markets. So like when we were in that trend for a long time, I decided to switch it out for 0-3 because I wasn't getting any trades. And I feel like either the switch from the 2-4 or the 0-3 is really good, because I feel like when it's not responsive or not giving you enough trades, you can switch it to 0-3. But the 2-4 is really nice because in the beginning, that 4-tick cancel was really valuable because of all that chop that was in the beginning, because I didn't really know what was going on in the market initially, and we had significant chop in the morning that could not be strictly identified. So it was good to have that cancel, because then it wouldn't take any trades right there specifically. Yeah, overall good profitable day at 1100. Hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll try to make another video this week. School is ramping up, so I'll try my best to make another video, hopefully tomorrow or the next day after that. But I'll see you guys soon. See you later.